It totally replaced Mr. Beast face with my face. See the output. Mr. Beast Teams has created this thumbnail by taking tons of time and huge resources, but I just created this thumbnail with one click. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm quite excited to announce something game changing, something special, something I built especially for creators. Introducing your Thumbnail AI, an AI powered thumbnail generator that helps you create stunning high CTR thumbnails in seconds. If you are a content creator, educator, business owner, you know one thing well. Thumbnail decides whether people will click or scroll. But designing thumbnails takes time, skill, and sometimes even it can be stressful. That's why I built a tool that does all the heavy lifting for you. With this AI thumbnail generator, you can generate thumbnails instantly with just one prompt. We have also built a prompt improver that will generate high contextual prompt for you in context of thumbnail. Also, you can clone others' viral thumbnail into your thumbnail. And also, if you want to generate a prompt for any thumbnail, you can also do it from here. And another thing is here, if you want to test any thumbnail, how it will perform, what is good, what is bad in that thumbnail, even you can check that thumbnail here. On this tool, it is very easy to create any type of thumbnail. Just upload your image, type your video title, improve your prompt with magic button, and boom, the AI creates eye-catching thumbnails tailored exactly for your content. I built this tool because I know one thing, what it's like to spend hours designing thumbnails. But now you can focus on creating content and let AI handle your thumbnails. So let's see how to use this. I'm going to show you everything one by one. So let's start. So firstly, when you'll come to this platform, you'll come to this page. So just click on this button, or you can go to directly here, generate page. Okay, if you haven't logged in, firstly you need to log in, and then you can start creating thumbnails. So there are multiple approaches to create a thumbnail. I'm going to show you everything from scratch. So firstly, what I'll do, I'll create from scratch. Like I'll provide one image, I'll provide prompt here, and then I'll generate thumbnail. So let's see first this one. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll firstly upload one image of mine, and just a second. So this is my picture, I'm taking this one. Okay, and here I will provide prompt. So whatever you are thinking about your thumbnail, you can write here. And also we have built a magic button, a prompt improver, which will improve your prompt. So here I will just type my topic, like how to be a polymath. Okay, suppose this is the topic of my video, and I can define even more. Here we need to write a good prompt with proper meaning and context, but I have written this much only. And what I will do next, I'll click on this prompt magic button, and it will create a well structured prompt for this thumbnail. This prompt will be totally in context of thumbnail. So let's see, let it generate. So see, it gave a well structured prompt. Like firstly it defined main subject, then visual style, then composition, then text elements, what will be written there, and mode. It defined everything nicely. So if you want to go through, you can go through it. Like firstly it wrote a single compelling individual, mid-30s. It defined age mid-30s to early 40s, which I don't want. I want to do it like 20s, mid-20s to early 30s. Okay, or let's say yeah, early 30s. So like this you can go through on your prompt, and if you want to change anything, you can change from here. So I'm leaving everything same, whatever it gave me, only I change this age. Okay, and here multiple sizes are there. So for thumbnail it is already selected 16:9, and here also we can create different variants. Like first will be realistic, then artistic, then professional. We can create a single thumbnail with 3 variants, but I don't want to do that. You can try out. I'm just generating here. Okay, so it will take around 10 seconds and it will give the output. So let it generate. So finally it generated, and this is the output. It gave this beautiful output, which is how to be a polymath. And even we can play with prompt and it will give even more better output. But as of now, it is also quite beautiful, and this will obviously perform very well on YouTube. This will have high CTR for sure. So this is the first approach by which you can create thumbnail about your topic, and you can play with prompt. You can change prompt to get even better output. So this is first approach by which you can create thumbnail on this platform. Second approach is clone thumbnail. Like suppose you saw any YouTube videos going viral and its thumbnail is quite beautiful. It has very high CTR. So you can clone that thumbnail with your image, with your pic. Let me show you. So what I'll do, I'll go on YouTube firstly, and from there I'll bring one thumbnail. So let's say suppose here I will search Mr. Beast. Right. So this is the recent video which Mr. Beast has uploaded. So I'll copy its URL from here, and we will try to create same thumbnail with my pic. Okay, we'll totally clone this thumbnail. So I'll paste that URL here, and here I'll upload my pic. So I'm again uploading that same image because I have not much image on my laptop. You can use your desired image. So firstly you need to click. So I'm uploading this same image again, and what I will give prompt here, replace the person with my image. And on this prompt box I have not given magic button because here we just need to clone, so we can define by ourselves. So I haven't given prompt magic button here. So I have written here, replace the person with my image. That Mr. Beast image will be replaced with my face. Let me show you. So I'll click on this clone and modify button, and let's see the magic. Okay. So finally it generated, and let me show you the output. So it totally replaced Mr. Beast face with my face. See the output. Mr. Beast teams has created this thumbnail by taking tons of time and huge resources, but I just created this thumbnail with one click. So just see how much time we are going to save with this platform. So this is the second approach by which you can create thumbnail on this platform. And third approach is like extract prompt. There is one more analyzer. Basically it's a thumbnail rated thumbnail analyzer. Like if you paste the URL of any thumbnail, or you can upload thumbnail from here, it will analyze that thumbnail and tell you what is working there, what need to be fixed there. Let me show you. So I will analyze this thumbnail that I copied, Mr. Beast thumbnail. So let it analyze, and it will give a rate 10 out of how much it will give. Let's see. So it analyzed that thumbnail of Mr. Beast and gave 9 out of 10, which is excellent thumbnail design. And it also analyzed color analysis, composition, text elements, emotional impact, what's working well there, areas for improvement. You can go through it. Basically it's a analyzer that will analyze your thumbnail, means how it will perform on YouTube. The stuff that it is giving you are the main thing to get high CTR on YouTube. So this is thumbnail analyzer. Another one is extract prompt. Like suppose you saw any thumbnail which is looking very good. So to generate thumbnail like that, you need one prompt. So to generate that prompt, this is the section. Like let me go on YouTube again, and so suppose I want to generate thumbnail like this. So for that I want a prompt that will generate thumbnail like this. So to generate that prompt, what I'll do, I'll just copy URL from here, and I'll go back and I'll just paste here, and it will give me a prompt which we can use multiple times to generate thumbnail. I'll let it extract prompt from that thumbnail. So finally it gave this long prompt to generate thumbnail like that, and let me show you by using it. So I'll copy this, and I'll go to this create from scratch section. I'll copy here in this prompt area, that prompt that I copied from there, and I can even upload my image. Let me do it. So again I'm uploading that same image, just a second. Yeah, and I'll generate. So this is also an approach we can consider to create thumbnail. So I have considered every possible thing to create thumbnail. As a designer, the way we approach to create anything, any thumbnail, so same all the possible stuff I tried here also to implement, so that anyone can create thumbnail as they want. So see the output. It totally changed Mr. B's face with my face, and all the stuff are same. Even we can change these text and all by providing text there. So this is the output. You can create thumbnail like this also by generating prompt of any particular thumbnail and pasting prompt here, and by providing an image you can create thumbnail and just see the output. It's totally amazing. So these are multiple approach by which you can create thumbnails with the help of AI within few seconds. On this platform we have defined everything in context of thumbnail. We have built an AI that is taking everything in context of thumbnail only, and the output you are saying, it's mind-blowing. I have tried multiple AIs, but they are generating, but they are totally changing our face and they are not preserving our face. But here we are preserving the face. You saw all the outputs. The face was exactly same that I provided here, but other AIs are not preserving face. They generate thumbnails, but they totally change your face. But here you saw every output has the same pic that I provided, the same face that I provided, because we are preserving face here. So this is all about this platform. Here you will have a gallery section. Whatever thumbnail you will generate here, that all you can see in your gallery. And we have also built a prompt library for thumbnails. In this library you will get prompts to generate thumbnails. Okay, so this is basically a prompt library we have built. So yeah guys, this is how you can create thumbnails by considering multiple approaches within seconds. You no need to spend your hours, you no need to be so creative. You just have to come here, define your topic, and boom, your thumbnail will be created within seconds. And of course, this is the future of thumbnail creation. So I'm wrapping up this video here. I was cooking this platform since very long. I was fine-tuning it again and again to get better output. Now I fine-tuned it everything in context of thumbnail only. This platform think only in context of thumbnail, whatever you will tell it. So this I cooked just to help creators and save their time. So if you found this useful, you can share it with your creator friends. And if you want to say anything, feel free to comment below. And if you like this tool, make sure to press that like button. And I'll mention link in the description. You can check out from there. And until next time, keep building and keep exploring.